You can't hear the music that hard. The speaker is trying to turn the volume down, but it's okay, it works. I think it needs batteries. You can't hear the music that hard. I think it needs batteries. But some books make that a little bit of a staticky noise. Okay, let's press this button. Really nice. Okay. So I think this book needs batteries because I think the speaker is trying to turn it down. So I think the speaker is trying to turn down. I think it needs batteries. So let's try our last song. And our last picture of that book is a duck with webbed. And the last picture of that book is the duck's webbed feet. Here we go. You can't hear it that well because the speaker is trying to turn down, but it's okay. It works. So I think it just needs batteries. So here's the video about this Silly Songs Play a Song book. I love it. I love that book. Keep it. So here's the video about this Silly Songs book. So goodbye now, see you tomorrow, and have a good summer vacation and have a good August. If you be good at school, get a thumbs up. If you did bad in school, give a thumbs down. So I hope you guys have a good day at school. Goodbye and have a good day. Let's hear that song one more time and see it turns up a little bit. If I listen to my ears, it plays music a little bit higher. So here's the video about this Silly Songs Play a Song book. So goodbye now, see you tomorrow, and have a good August, and have a good summer, and have fun swimming. Have fun, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye, and I'll see you tomorrow, and have a good day.